All right, let's see how to use the Playwright Live Recorder from scratch. Start with a new repository and run yarn create playwright. We're going to select typewrite in the defaults. Next, we'll add the Playwright Live Recorder, and we're going to set the base URL to the root of our web app and make that settings.json file and paste in the pwd debug console in there. Next, we'll go to the test file and wipe it out, and we'll begin recording our page object models. So we'll navigate to the root of our app and pull in that import, and then we'll use playwright-live-recorder.start with the page and that lambda expression that it shows in the autocomplete, and we'll debug the test. Okay, the test comes up, and at the top of the screen, the Playwright Live Recorder appears. We click the red button to record, and then we begin clicking around on elements to name them. So we're dropping into some of the subpage. There's the overlapped page. This is the dynamic ID page. This is the class adder page. We're just naming the elements on the page so that we can access them via the normal page object model pattern. So let's hop back to the file system, and you're going to see the home page with those links, the dynamic page, dynamic ID page, class adder page, and the overlapped page. Great. Now let's modify this test so that we are using the page object models in the test itself using the recorder. The recorder has an issue with reloading stuff, so if the imports aren't there when the test starts, then it throws some errors. So I'm just going to pull in these imports and then we'll debug. And the screen comes up. Let's hide that so we can see the test code better. Turn on record mode, and we're going to click into the overlapped element. You can see on screen what it's going to emit, and you can see back on line 9, it's added that homepage overlapped element button, page.click. Unfortunately, there was a bug where the recording tools didn't reload, so we're gonna, after the navigation, so we're gonna pop back in here and click on the ID input, and you can see it doesn't do anything, so we're gonna try to add a .fill. We'd like to be able to add code up there. It's not hooked up yet. Same thing here. So since that's not hooked up, we'll close this and we'll go back and with the autocomplete, just add in the fills here. So that's about it for this test. Here's the page object model that the recorder's created. Those are reusable in whatever tests, and of course in the test itself you delete line 12. That's the Playwright Live Recorder in a nutshell. Thanks.